Hello guys, welcome to our channel again. So today we have a Miele microwave which will just run and but doesn't heat. So normally there is a high chance people are expecting, oh, so we can only change the fuse and then that will be over, and this is the case. This is the case when sometimes only it works out when we change the fuse, and then that work out and then keep it start heating and everything. So for that we need to check the continuity for the fuses. So if there is no continuity, you can first test it out by changing the fuse. So make sure you have a right voltage fuse. So this is a high voltage fuse, and then for 10 amperes. So you always can check the amperes on the steel part. It's written the 10 amp, 8 amp or 15 amp, something like that. So you can always check which is the right one for a microwave. So to replace it is quite easy. You just take it out and then put it back in. So I have already tested it before, and then we were making the videos. So I'm going to put the cover back in. So it's quite easy to take it out. You just take those screws out. So some microwave you might have like different models, so in such cases also you can just figure it out how to take it. So basically, like there are more screws on the sides and top, so you can take all the screws out and push it back or slide it out. So that's the way. So now I'm testing it, if that's gonna work for me or not. So before it used to run, but there was no heat at all. So we replaced the fuse for this one, and then we are going to test with the cold water. If that's gonna gives us steam, then that's fine. So here is the moment of truth. So here you go guys, now it started heating back.